How to find templates on Instagram. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open Instagram application in your mobile device. Once you open the application, all you have to do is simply log in to your Instagram account. So once you're logged into your account, you want to go ahead and simply tap on the reel icon. And just like so, inside the reel section, you'll be able to find a camera-like icon at the top right corner. You want to go ahead and simply tap onto it. And just like so, inside the camera section, you'll be able to find a reels and templates option. You want to go ahead and tap on templates. And just like so, you'll be able to find different kind of templates which is recommended for you and which is trending on Instagram. And if you would like to use one of them, you want to go ahead and tap onto it. And just like so, once you tap onto it, you will be able to use it. Well, that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.